Hello, my lovely family. This is Sarah speaking. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and share with your family, friends. So today I'm going to learn Faux Locs on my daughter. This is my lovely daughter Laura, and also I have my sister Kain that we're gonna learn the Faux Locs. So please keep watching until the end and see the result and let us know how we did. If you can learn something from this video, I would be happy also to hear from you. And yeah, we learn. So my sister and I, we watch YouTube to learn this one. I know how to braid already, but I never done Faux Locs before, and I decided to learn on my daughter. She has beautiful hair. It's easy for me to learn on her hair before doing clients. So yeah, hopefully you guys like the video and also the hair that my sister and I did. So please let us know in the comment what do you think, we did a great job or not. Thank you. Have a great day and stay safe, stay home, be strong. Everything's gonna be all right. Take care. N'hésitez pas de venir ici sur notre YouTube. Merci, à bientôt. So please stay with me, don't go away. Love, bless, and peace. Hi guys, so as you can see, I finished the braid. So right now I'm putting Indian hemp on her scalp just to protect her from dryness. So that's it. And then we're gonna start do the Faux Locs. Et voila, this is braid is done with her natural hair. And then after that I'm going to do the crochet and then wrap the hair with the double afro twist and also passion twist. So I wonder you guys gonna be like, why she start in front? I start front just because in case because I have the hair only 3, so in case the hair is not enough, and then the bag is okay, I can also wait for next day to do it. That's why I start in front. So this is how the Faux Locs look like, and you're doing it just like that, and it's very easy. So just let you know, if I do, you can do too. So yeah, watch and you will see the result at the end. It's the color that she likes, and it's matched with her skin. It's just beautiful. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'm watching you right now, you are watching it, so don't go away, stay there with me, okay? So here I'm going to slow down and show you exactly how we're doing the Faux Locs. So first of all, you crochet the hair first with the passion twist, and then you wrap the hair with the double afro twist. So here, just to show you how we did, and voila, my sister is doing very well, and I do also good. It's not bad. We are not in rushing. We just slow down just for you guys to see it, how we do it. So things we do, you guys can do too, like I said. So go ahead and take a close look to see it, right?
beautiful hair was made by my aunt and my lovely mother, Sarah. And you can check out their YouTube channels, Hair Braiding by Sarah and Queen Cayenne. Make sure to like and subscribe, and you like the hair. This hair, and we left it curly at the end. So
Yes.
let me just model for you. African Queen!